Congratulations on choosing Antwerp as your city to start your international adventure. Now let's find you the perfect place to call home in our city. Antwerp is one of the largest student cities in Belgium, but it is much more than that. Students share the city with the locals, and the campuses are spread throughout the city and surrounding areas. The old city centre undoubtedly has the largest concentration of students. Nevertheless, students feel at home in every neighbourhood. Antwerp North is a folksy multicultural area, which is very popular with creative types. The theatre area and Nationalestraat is one of the hippest neighbourhoods in Antwerp, with lots of shops, culture and a vibrant nightlife. The New South is an upcoming neighbourhood with lots of trendy locations. And if you're studying at Wilrijk, renting a room at Berchem or Wilrijk itself might be the best option for you, which is a greener area as well. Students in Antwerp live in what we call a kot. It typically consists of a single room per occupant, with all occupants sharing a bathroom and/or kitchen. Or maybe you prefer to live in a studio with a private bathroom and private kitchen. Most accommodation types are furnished with the most common necessities. But you should always check with your landlord to see which furnishing are included, so you can avoid unpleasant surprises. To help you find the perfect student room, the City of Antwerp, the higher education institutions in Antwerp, and Gate 15, Antwerp Student Portal, created Kotweb. Kotweb offers the largest database of student accommodation in Antwerp. Furthermore, it provides objective information for both students and owners. For every accommodation, you will find a quality label given by the City of Antwerp after a thorough inspection. A green label means that the property is fully in order in terms of accommodation quality and fire safety. A blue label means that the owner is waiting for the first inspection, or that he needs to make some adjustments or renovations before receiving the green label. A red label indicates that the building does not meet the quality or safety standards. For your safety, the educational institutions created a model lease. On the Kotweb website, you can find an example of the model lease. However, the model lease is not mandatory. The landlords are free to use any other contract. In case the landlord does use the model lease, you can be sure it is a contract with a good legal basis. Rental agreements always have to be in writing. You and your landlord should both receive a copy of the agreement, signed by both parties. Never sign a document you don't understand. Most contracts will be in Dutch, but you can ask the landlord for an English translation. Now let's find you your new home. Go to www.studentkotweb.be and find your campus in the search bar. Choose the period of your stay and start searching. You can add extra filters such as the price range, the room type, or whether you can rent this room for a short term. Once you click search, you will receive an overview of all available rooms in your neighborhood. The location is displayed on the map, and you will find the most important information about each room. Click on the photo to see more information and additional images. The quality label is displayed on the top right corner. You can email your landlord directly through Kotweb. If your landlord doesn't reply to your email and his phone number is mentioned, just grab your phone and give him a call. Compare all the available accommodations and pick the one that's right for you. Tip: use Google Maps to check the neighborhood or distance from and to your campus. Or you didn't find what you were looking for by using Kotweb and you found yourself a place to stay outside this platform, always be cautious for scams or random advertisements. Are you having doubts or feeling insecure? Or you encounter a problem or you have additional questions? Contact the expert in your university or college. The Kotweb team is ready to help you.